My brother and sisters, whenever you are in the world today, I speak to you not as a YouTuber, not as a politician, not as a journalist, but as a son of this land. Today, we are witnessing something beautiful, something powerful, something we have been praying for, dreaming of, fighting for in our hearts. Peace. We call it Tsumdo. For too long, the people of Eritrea and Tigray have been divided, not just by the border, but by the war, by the trauma, by silence. We have lost a family. We have lost time. We have lost peace ourselves. So many mothers have cried themselves to sleep. So many young people have grown up knowing only fears, not friendship. We have become strangers to each other, but deep down, we all know the truth. We are a family. We always have been. Our language is similar. Our food is the same. Our song carries the same pain and the same hopes. When one of us suffers, the other feeling it. When one of us celebrates, the other smile too. That's why this moment, the beginning of peace, means everything. Have you seen it? People are crossing the borders to meet again. They are hugging, crying, laughing, not because they deal with the signs, but because they break through fears. It is the most important I have ever seen. A grandmother seeing her sisters after 3 centuries. A son meets his uncle he never know. 2 olderies, one separated by the bullet, now they are sitting together drinking coffee. This is not just a politician. This is a people peace. And our people's happiness is our happiness. Let us stand with Tsumdo. Let us protect it, speak for it, build it. Let us not back. Let us not allow hate to win again. Peace is not a weakness. Peace is a bravery. It takes strength to forgive. It takes love to reunion. And that's what we must do today. Let's keep our border open, not just a land border, but the border of in our hearts. Let's rewrite our history, not with a war of end lose, but with the union and healings. Let's show the world that Eritrea and Tigray, after the long pain, choose to be a family again. Let's teach our children not who to hate, but who to love. Let's teach them the word Tsumdo, not as a wish, but as a reality. So, to every Eritrean and every Tigrayan watching this video, wherever you are, let us rise together. Let us speak one voice. Let us speak one message with one voice. We support Tsumdo. We support peace. This is a moment of healing. Let us not let it go. Let's turn the tears into strength. Let's turn the silence into communications. Let's turn the border into the bridge. Because we are not just neighbors. We are one people, one heart, one future. Thank you. And my peace continues to grow between us until it reaches every home, every village, every single person's heart.